It was 1:13 a.m. Ravi's phone rang. Unknown number. Ravi answers the call. His face tenses. A deep voice whispered, "Don't leave your room." He's in the hallway. He steps toward the door. Knock, knock, knock. He freezes. He shuts the door, heart racing. Phone rings again. Same number. He knows you heard him. Now he's listening. Then, the TV turned on. Static. A shadow moved across the screen. On screen, a silhouette appears. Ravi slowly turns, his door creaks open. "You let him in," said the voice from the TV. His phone drops and cracks. The screen flashes one last message: "Call ended. You lasted longer than the others." Next morning, his room was empty. But the phone kept ringing. This time, from his own number. Don't answer. When it's your own voice calling,